As communities struggle to recover from the recent calamities, relief efforts are ramping up across the country. The Tulong Mga Kapatid Bayanihan Drive is bringing together celebrities, volunteers, and partner companies to provide assistance. Many have already joined the drive, donating items that will be part of an upcoming online selling event to raise funds for affected communities. Among the donors are MQuest artists or MediaQuest artist Cedric Juan, Inday Fatima, and Ivan Lim.
Super bago pa lang po nito, mga 6 months pa lang. Bala ko po bibenta ng 10,000 po.
Yung sa akin naman po, bali yung ibibigay ko is sapatos. Ginagamit ko to sa events before, pero 3 to 4 times ko pa lang siya nasuot.
Diba?
Bali nabili ko siya around 66. So, bebenta ko siya ng around 20.
20,000 na natin.
Anyway, it will go to a good cause. Nakakatulong
Yeah,
ka pa.
nakakatulong pa. Which is really nice na makatulong sa ibang tao.
Ako po, I'm still sorting out po kung ano yung mga gamit na pwede ko makuha sa Bulacan. Kasi gusto ko rin po na i-include na rin yung family ko. Na together with my mga kapatid and also my mother and father. Kasi medyo kailangan din namin mag-declutter. Why not ibigay na lang natin.
Aside from celebrities, representatives from the MVP group of companies also pitched in, each carrying out relief operations and donation drives for the affected families and communities.
So ito rin yung rallying people to help yung ating mga kababayan. So, alam naman natin na bago pa kasi yung bagyong Uwan, ay talagang sunod-sunod na mga kalamidad na rin na tumama sa ating bansa. And talagang tuloy-tuloy lamang din yung efforts ng Alagang Kapatid Foundation. And dahil napakalawak naman talaga ng devastation, hindi naman talaga namin ito magagawa mag-isa. And we're very fortunate that our chairman, Manny V. Pangilinan, really mandated.
We have our concession area sa Metro Manila, but in terms of relief operations, we go all out. Yeah, for Typhoon Uwan, we have prepared an initial 6,000 pieces of 6-liter bottled water. Then the 3,000 we've already distributed through our sister companies, and another 3,000 allocated for our LGU.
Una natin yung mga relief packs, no? Yung mga care packs na may pagkain para sa ating mga kababayan, lalong-lalo na sa Cebu, at namimigay tayo ng solar lamps din. No? Kasi maraming walang kuryente. Dito sa Cebu, sa pamamagitan ng isang subsidiary ni Meralco na Meralco Power Gen, nakapagpamahagi dyan ng 4,000 na relief packs ang MGen sa iba't ibang lugar na naapektuhan ng lindol at nitong Typhoon Tino.
The Tulong Mga Kapatid Bayanihan Drive will feature donated items in a live selling event on TV5's Facebook page. All prices are fixed and transparent, and 100% of the proceeds will go to the Alagang Kapatid Foundation. The event begins on Friday, November 14th. Let me say that again, November 14th on TV5's Facebook page. Should you wish to donate, you may scan the QR code or use the bank details provided on the screen to send your contributions. You can also donate food, hygiene kits, and sleeping gear. Now let's stand together and help. Everyone, pay attention, scan that QR code, and check the bank accounts where you can make your cash donation.